here we go. We're gonna start with his hat. Right at the top here like this. And then we're gonna come down a bit like that. Then we'll continue up like this. Then around like this. And join it up right about there. Perfect. Then this way, that way. And a little pom-pom right about there. This is looking good, everybody. Good start. Now what we're gonna do is come down here, right about there where I made that dot. And we're gonna draw a line there, just like that. That's looking nice. And this is where we're gonna meet up his glasses. So we're gonna draw big old glasses. Right about there, and this will be his other eye. Right there. Looking good. Join them up like that. And we'll give him a bit of a highlight here and there. And then we'll draw in his pupil and color that baby in just like that. Looking nice. Continue the glasses here, going this way. And then we can draw his ear right about there. This is looking nice. Now we give him a tougher hair, just like this. Join it all on it like that. Come on down like that. Looking good, everybody. Give him a little bit of ear bits here for texture, and we're set to go. Funny little nose for Waldo, and we'll give him a smile with a bit of a cheek there. Looking nice. Now we can continue his face down like this here, and we'll bring it all on up like that. There's Waldo. Let's not forget his eyebrows. There we go. Looking good, everybody. We can even continue his hair down like this maybe, just for fun. And now we can do his neck here. Lovely. Give him a bit of a crew neck here, or V-neck, whatever we like. And we'll draw his shoulders here. Maybe we'll have his arms crossed out about that. Just like this. Other shoulder here like that. Coming on down like this. And we'll bring that one all on up like that. Looking good. Here we go. A little bit of trickiness here, so this hand will look like it's being tucked in there. And this other hand will come up like this. And we can draw some nice fingers here like this. There we go. Looking good, everybody. Let's bring his shirt down like this. There we go. Here we are. Looking good, Waldo. I can see you. Now we'll bring his jeans on down like this. Right here like that. And now we'll taper them off here like this. And up like that. Give him a bit of a belly there. And bring this jean leg down like that. There we go. Good looking pants. And we'll give him some funky running shoes, or sneakers as we like to say. Right about there like this. And we'll bring them right on in and color them differently later. Looking good like that. Oh, I like that. Just like this. Up a bit. Bit of a sole here. Bring it on up like that. This is good. I like it. Now we can draw the stripes in on his shirt here. 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be fun. Right about here where his arms are. This is where his shoulder's gonna be. More stripy bits here like that. There's his elbow there. And let's bring another stripe in like this here. And then one maybe right across his neckline like this. Looking good. Oh, I like it. Now we can get to the color. Waldo has a red shirt and hat, stripes, and shoes. He has light skin color, blue jeans, brown hair. Thanks, everybody.